Okay, where did you go in holiday?
We went to
Where?
Sir Abani Mate.
Avani Mart for playing
Yes, sir.
football.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you like football, not cricket.
Sir, দুইটাই ভালো কিন্তু ফুটবল বেশি পছন্দ।
Okay, so you went with Shiraji or you went with other group?
নো স্যার, একা।
You went alone. So who you played with?
স্যার অনেকজন তো ছিল, ক্লাবের সবাই ছিল।
Your class?
ক্লাস না স্যার, ক্লাব ক্লাব।
Oh, club, your club. Okay, so all of them are of your same age or they are of different ages?
স্যার কেউ বড় কেউ ছোট,
Okay,
কিন্তু ম্যাক্সিমাম সেম এজ স্যার।
okay. So thank you for joining. Huh? Thank you for joining. And
ওয়েলকাম স্যার।
last class we had Fardin Hawk and uh,
আদিত।
Adit. They both
Yes,
helped
sir.
me a lot in last class. So
Welcome, sir. And thanks.
Yeah, thank you so much for joining again today. And Shiraji,
Yes,
you
sir.
were not present in last class. So
Sir, on Wednesday.
on Wednesday, yes.
স্যার
On
সানডে,
Wednesday.
আই মিন থার্সডে।
Thursday we
Thursday,
don't
there
have
was
any
no
class.
physics class.
On Wednesday,
Oh.
last Wednesday. So it's that day we discussed all the questions except 4 and 5, right?
Yes, sir. I saw the recordings.
Yeah, you showed the recording. You should take the notes also on your copy.
Yes, sir. I also did the homework.
Okay, and now you will help us to get the answer of question 4 and 5 because
Yes,
these
sir.
two questions I gave you as homework.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I did it.
Remember, yeah. So can you read please question 4 and tell me how to solve it?
Okay, sir.
স্যার আই অলসো ডিড দ্য হোমওয়ার্ক।
Very good, very good. So you please start, huh, Shiraji?
Yes, sir. Question number 4. The three vehicles below are among the most powerful of their type. If there is no friction, which wins for the best acceleration, and which is the loser?
Which is the loser?
স্যার
And which wins the contest for the best acceleration? So did you get your answer?
ইয়েস স্যার।
Yes, sir.
So what is the answer of A?
Sir, I think it will be Boeing 747.
You think this is one matter and you got it, that is another matter. Did you solve it?
Sir, the winner will be Boeing 747.
Are you guessing it or you did the working?
Sir, its acceleration is 2 meter per second square.
Whose?
Boeing 747.
And what about the acceleration of that Porsche?
It will be, sir. Sir, I mean, sir, the winner is Porsche. Sir, it has a acceleration.
Okay. So now you are changing your answer.
No, sir. Honda 1000 will be the winner, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now you
Honda
are changing.
1000.
10 meter per second
Again
square.
you are changing your answer. Why?
Sir, Honda 1000, sir.
Okay, then
Sir, সব রেসে এরকম
listen,
হয় Honda।
listen.
Bike is it?
At first you told me the answer by guessing. Then
No,
when you
sir.
saw the numbers, then you are changing your mind. You are saying different answer, isn't it? Then again, when you are seeing Honda, then you are again changed your mind. So
Sir,
it's happening. But at the beginning, I asked you, you are saying Boeing 747. Why? Okay, now
Sir, Honda 1000.
you understand already one thing, that is, first you have to do the working, right?
Yes, sir. Uh, Acceleration is
For
equals to
yeah,
force divided by mass.
yeah, you for all of them, you have to do the working first. So you write everyone on your copy. Question number 4, page number. What is the page number?
35. 35.
35. Okay, and also write today's date. These three
Yes,
things
sir.
you write. Today's date,
Yes, sir.
then page 35, question number 4. You write, then you start
Uh,
the working. Before going to
Yes, sir.
A and B, you get the working first. You write for Boeing 747. You write this way in your copyright.
for
Yeah,
Boeing
here
747.
for Boeing, you have to
747.
write it first. Then you compare 747. For Boeing 747, what is the acceleration? You calculate. A equals F by
Force F by
F
M.
by
meter.
yes.
Yes.
M.
Is it correct formula?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. Now
Yes,
you
sir.
see what is the value of F?
800,
F is equals to
800,000
8.
Newton.
Yes,
800,000
800,000.
Newton.
800.
800,000
800,000. 8
Newton
million.
divided
8 million.
8
Yeah.
million.
No, no,
800,000
800,000. 100,000. Yes, you are correct.
Okay.
divided by 400,000 equals to 2.
Okay. Now you write it on your copy, please. Please, all of you, please write nicely. 8,000, 800,000 newtons divided by,
Sir,
400,000. Math.
sir,
yes,
I did the homework.
you did it.
Yes, yes, sir.
When did you do? When did you do?
Sir, yesterday.
So uh, to check your answer, huh? Whatever you did,
Okay, sir.
now we are doing. You check your answer. If there is any correction, do the correction. Otherwise, give a tick. Huh? If you see that
Okay,
your
sir.
answer is correct, then you give a tick, small tick. Okay, Saleha and Ruhi.
Okay, sir.
Okay, now you tell me what is the value of acceleration here.
So 2.
Sir,
I mean
2.
2
Sir,
k.
You will
2.
you will say only
2
two
meter per
or
second square.
2 meter per second
yes,
square.
you say 2 meter per second square.
Per second square.
That will
Sir,
be
isn't it, sir, N by kg?
yes. You can write n by kg, or you can write meter per second square because it is acceleration. Okay,
Yes, sir.
and in our next topic or next section, which one is 2.10, we'll try to understand Newton per kg and meter per second square, both are same thing. Is it clear? And also in last class, when Adit was asking, that time also we gave the explanation how they are same. Okay. If you went through the recording of last class, I think you got the idea how Newton per kg and meter per second square are same thing.
Yes, sir.
Now for Porsche, right? Is it Porsche?
Porsche.
Yes, sir. Porsche.
Porsche.
Okay, we pronounce it
Porsche or
Porsche,
Porsche.
right? Or Porsche? What?
Porsche.
Porsche. Okay. So Porsche 911. This is another vehicle. We are going to get its acceleration. So who will help me now to do it?
Sir, me.
Sir, me.
Okay, okay. Tell me then. Porsche 911. Okay. What can we write here? Again, same
acceleration
formula,
equals
right?
to F by m. Yes, sir.
F by m then
M.
equals,
Then 7,800 divided by 1,300
okay, 7,800
divided by
divided by
1,300.
1,300. Then equals
Sir, 13.
6.
6, yes, sir. 6
Yes, sir.
meter
Yes,
per
sir.
second
Because
6.
6
square.
13
6
is
meter per second.
78, right? You learn the
Yes, sir.
timetable.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I can remember what I learned
6
in
meter.
my year 3. These timetables we learned in year 2, year 3, right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
So you forgot, but I can remember my one.
sir.
Now the last one, right?
Yes, sir.
Honda.
Yes,
Honda.
sir.
Honda 1000. What will be?
A equals to F by M
Okay.
equals to
Today we
3000 by
had a
300.
funny thing at the beginning. You were not all present. At the beginning, they were saying Ferdinand who? Shiraji,
Sir. Yes, sir.
you are saying that Boeing 747 is the most acceleration, right? Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Now you see the difference. Now they are saying it is not. Now it is most for which one? Honda.
Honda. Yes, sir.
Yes. So it is 3,000 divided by 300.
300
Yes,
equals to
sir.
10 meter per
Equals to
second
10
square.
meter per second square.
Yes, 10 meter per second square. So before doing the working at the beginning, I also thought that this Boeing could be the most acceleration, isn't it? If
Yes,
you
sir.
guess, your answer is one type. If you do the working, your answer is different, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So the imagination and the reality is different, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Uh, now you wrote the answer, everyone,
Yes, sir.
Yes,
for
sir.
Boeing, Porsche, and Honda 1000. You see, we had 2 meter per second square, 6 meter per second square, and 10 meter per second square, respectively. So, what should
Yes,
be the
sir.
answer of A?
Honda.
Yeah, Honda
Honda.
1000.
Okay, so right here, A 4A, right? 4. We are doing question
Yes,
4,
sir.
right? So it is A.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Which wins the contest? Honda. Honda 1000. Then B. What is the answer of B? Which one is the loser?
Boeing 747.
So sad. Boeing is the loser.
Yes, sir.
Boeing 747. Actually, this is happening on the ground. If you are on the sky, that time Boeing is much more, with more speed. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Hello? So
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
here we have, the friction coming from the ground. That's why its acceleration is not that much. But if it is in air, uh, in the sky, that time there is no, resistance coming from the ground, isn't it? Then it will
Yes, sir.
be going with much more higher speed and acceleration. So it's clear to you now, right? Question 4.
Yes, sir.
It was very easy question, right? To solve.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now can we go to question 5?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, look, we are so lucky today. We have with us Alif. Eh? He is today for the first time. Can you see the participant list?
Oh,
Yes,
yes.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, check that Alif came for the first time. For this entire session, it is his first class. Then Shahadat. Hello, Shahadat. Shahadat. Alif, are you writing the notes? Pongti, Sadika.
Sir,
Then
I am. Yes, sir.
you
Sir,
have,
I'm checking.
yeah, you
Hello,
check.
sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, yes. So are you checking your writing and our solution? Please check. If your answer got before and you think that your answer is correct, then you give a small tick. Okay?
Okay,
And
sir.
and if you have any correction, do the correction. Do it, everyone, please. We are holding here
Okay,
for
sir.
for a minute. Then we'll go to question number 5. Pongti, Pongti,
Yes, sir.
have you written?
Yes, sir.
So you did the homework before, or you did it now?
Sir, I did it now.
Okay, you didn't get time to do the homework.
Sir, I forgot to do the homework.
Okay, you went for holiday.
Yes, sir.
Okay, no problem. Now you see, your class, one student is named Azmain. Do you know him, Azmain? Anyone is in your class named Azmain?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, but
Yes.
he barely does class.
Okay, he is
Yes,
in
sir.
waiting room today. What a miraculous change today. Eh? Before the
Yes, sir.
report card distribution, they are coming, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Azmain. Hello, Azmain. Azmain. Azmain and Alif. Look, their microphone is not there. Are you seeing the participants? Look,
Yes,
their
sir.
microphone is not there. So how can you communicate with them? I think all of you are done, right? With question 4?
Yes, sir.
Yes, miss. Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, miss. Huh? Okay, look here. Question number 5. Yeah. Pongti, read question 5.
Who is Mia Khalifa's right it?
Yeah, Pongti.
Sir, someone.
Question 5. Look at the model car in the acceleration problem. Problem stop left on this page. What would the acceleration of the car be? A. If there were no resisting force. B. If the resisting force were only 6 Newton. C. If the resisting force were 18 Newton.
Okay, so it's a nice question. You have to use your thinking, thinking skill here. The first one is if there were no resisting force. Then second one is if the resisting force is only 6 Newton. And the third one is if the resisting force is 18 Newton. Now we go to the diagram. Huh?
Sir,
Left,
remove that, sir,
top
remove
left on the page here. Okay. So
sir,
what is the resistive force here shown in the diagram? What is the resistive force is given?
Frictional force.
Yeah, how much is the given that one?
10.
10 Newton. So we did this working before with 10 Newton, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Previously we did this working uh, with this
Yes,
10
sir.
Newton force, but now we will do the same for other forces. When The first one is when the resistive force is 0, right? No resisting force.
Yes, sir.
Then what will be the
Hello,
resultant
sir.
force?
Hello.
Hmm?
Hello,
Sir,
sir.
Ferdinand wants
Yes.
to say something.
Then what
Sir,
will
is
be
that,
the
sir, hello.
yes, tell me. Any
স্যার
problems?
আজমাইন আসলো না ওইটা স্যার রিমুভ করে দেন এরকম সব ক্লাসে যায় যে উল্টা পাল্টা নাম দিয়ে করতেছে কে জিনো
Ye-
Okay, what he is doing? Can you tell me what he is doing?
স্যার আই ডোন্ট নো
Actually, I controlled everything. So you concentrate here, huh? He cannot chat. He cannot
স্যার
write anything. Or if he is doing anything, I will understand. Okay, and I will remove. Now
স্যার
you
দ্য নেম হ্যাজ আ ব্যাড মিনিং স্যার
sorry.
দ্য নেম হ্যাজ আ ব্যাড মিনিং
Really?
আদিত বুঝা আদিত
So now it's okay.
Sir,
Now it's okay.
ইয়েস স্যার
Okay.
it's
Now
okay, sir.
now you are feeling comfortable, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Now it's okay, sir.
Okay. Thank you so much
Very,
for
very okay.
informing me. Now please you concentrate here, huh? Look here. When the resisting force is 0, right? For A. And for B, if the resisting force is 6 Newton, then see if the resisting force is 18 Newton. You just remember this, huh? For
Okay,
A,
sir.
for A, resisting force is 0. For B, the resisting force is 6 Newton. For C, the resisting force is 18 Newton. Then
18.
we can do it at the top. That will be easier for you if you remember this.
Okay, sir.
Now in your copy you write question 5. Question 5 we are going to solve this way, right? Question 5 A we are doing, right?
Yes, sir.
Now
Yes,
our
sir.
first you find the resultant force. Resultant force we write this way, F R. Okay, resultant force. Is it okay? You will understand.
Yes, sir.
F is capital and R is smaller down, huh? Suffix. So FR is your resultant force and you write equals 18 minus 0.
0.
Because 18 is positive because it is working right side. If anything right
Yes,
side,
sir.
we are doing it with, positive, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And the resistive force, they are saying resistive force, that is opposite, left side, that is 0. We are writing minus 0, okay? Then equals how much? 18, right? 18 Newton.
Yes, sir.
So resultant force is 18 Newton. Now we are going to find the acceleration, right?
Yes, sir.
We already know how to get it. A
F by
equals
M.
F by M.
M.
Then equals F is how much? 18.
18. 18 by 2.
18 by 2. Very good. Then what is the answer?
Equals to
9
9 meter
9 meter per
per
second square.
square.
Yes,
So
sir.
it was easy, right?
Yes, sir.
Also
Yes, sir.
check your working. If it is matching, then give a small tick. And if there is any correction, do that. Now here FR for the second condition where the resistive
Sir,
force
what
was,
is FR?
this is resultant force.
Okay, sir.
So you can here label it, note. If you note down it, it will be easier. FR means resultant force, okay?
Yes, sir.
We are just giving a name so that we can understand it easily. It is a resultant force, okay? Then we are subtracting. So here resultant force is how much? 18 minus
Yes, sir.
6
18 minus 6, yes, is equals to
equals
12.
how much?
Equals to
12,
12.
12.
12 newtons, right?
Yes, sir.
Then A
A
equals how
equals
much?
F by M
F
equals
by M
12 by 2.
equals
12 by 2
12 by 2.
6.
Then
equals 6 meter per second square.
6 meter per second square. Very good. Then C, right?
Yes, sir.
C, we are getting here
FR equals
FR.
18 minus 16.
How much? 18 minus?
18 minus 18 equals 0.
Okay, equals 0. Oh, 0 Newton, right?
Yes, sir.
Then A equals
F by M
F
equals
by
0 by 2
0 by 2. Then
equals 0.
0 meter per second square, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
here acceleration is 0. If there is, today I was checking Sadika's script test paper, then I found that she brought this idea. If air resistance and weight are equals, then acceleration is 0. That is terminal speed, right? At terminal speed, the speed is constant, isn't it? Hello, can you
Yes, sir.
remember? Can you remember previously we did terminal velocity or
Sir,
terminal speed? Can you remember that? Terminal velocity or
Farhan sir,
yes, yes. Are you listening to
sir,
me?
when are you going to give the result of the city
Tomorrow,
test?
tomorrow you'll get.
Oh, okay.
Tomorrow with feedback I will give everything, okay? Is it clear? I'm checking, still I'm checking. So what I was saying about this acceleration, acceleration is how much here? How much is the acceleration? 0, right?
Yes, sir.
So why the acceleration is 0? Because resultant force is 0, isn't it? And when the object in terminal velocity, there is acceleration 0. Is it clear? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Hello, sir.
Yes, sir, it is clear.
Yeah. So terminal velocity, you can remember terminal velocity or terminal speed.
Yes, sir.
That is constant speed, right?
Yes, sir.
If it is constant speed, that means there is no acceleration, right?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
if
sir.
there is no acceleration, that means there is no resultant force. Resultant force is 0. So now it's clear to you. And you see, in physics, one thing is linked to another one. One idea is related to another idea. So if you can learn properly, then you can link them. Is it clear to you? Hello.
Sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So can we go to now next topic? Are you done with writing, everyone?
Yes, sir.
So we are done with all the questions of page 35. Huh? We are done with
Yes,
all the
sir.
questions of page 35. Now
Yes,
we
sir.
are done with section 2.08. We are going to now 2.10. Okay,
Okay, sir.
let's go there.
2.10.
Yeah,
2.10.
2.10 or 2.10. So this section name, could you please write here in your copy?
Wait, the
Yeah,
board of
yeah, please write on your copy The section name, section 2.10, weight, the pull of gravity.
Gravity.
Yeah. So it is talking about the gravitational pull. Because of this gravitational pull, we can stand on the earth, right? Or we can stay on the earth. Otherwise, what will happen? If there is no gravitational pull, what will happen?
Yeah. So,
Can you
sir,
can you can you guess? If there is no gravitational pull, what will happen?
yes, sir, we will float in the air.
You will float in the space, not air, isn't it?
Yes.
If there is no gravitational pull, there will be no air even, isn't it? Air will also
Ah,
go like you, isn't it? Air is also pulled by the gravity. Air has also mass, isn't it? Hello? Do you know air
Yes,
has
sir.
also mass? Air particles also have mass. Do you know?
Uh,
If
yes,
you
sir.
uh,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
yeah, if you know it, then you can understand it. That you have mass, air has mass, all the particles, everything has mass, isn't it? And because of this mass, they have weight, and because of this weight, they are attracted towards the center of Earth, isn't it? Hello.
yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, so weight is one kind of force. Weight is one kind of force.
Oh,
Sometimes we are using this word weight. We are asking, Adit, what is your weight? Then you say, yeah, then you say, my weight is 50 kg or 45 kg. This way, isn't it? But is it correct term, or it is the correct answer that your weight is 50 kg? Is it correct?
yes, sir.
From
Yes, sir.
scientific point of view, it is not correct. The one you are saying, that is your mass, not weight. That's your mass.
500.
What is weight? Weight you have to multiply G. What is G? Already you got. What is G? In section 2.07, you got the idea. What is G? G is acceleration of free fall, isn't it? Hello? What,
Yes,
what
sir. Yes,
yeah,
sir.
yes, what is the value of G on Earth? In that topic you got. Can you remember?
Gravity.
What is the value
Yes,
of
sir.
G you got in topic 2.07? Can you remember that one? It's also in your copy written. It is 10 meter per second square, right?
Yes, sir.
On Earth, the value of G is 10 meter per second square. So if you multiply your mass with G, 10 meter per second square, that will become your weight. Okay? Is it
Okay.
clear? Okay, so from now on, you will not say what is your weight. You will say what is your mass. Okay? If someone is asking you what is your weight, you will say my weight is 50 multiplied by 10 meter per second square. That means 500 Newton. Okay? Is it clear?
Okay, sir.
Okay, now this weight is coming due to the gravitational pull or the attractive force towards the center of Earth. Earth is pulling all of us, isn't it? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Earth is,
Hello,
Earth
sir.
is,
Yes,
yeah,
sir.
yes, Earth is
So
pulling
we can
all of
hear.
us. Yeah, that is called
Yes,
gravitational
sir.
force.
Earth is what?
Earth is pulling
Oh,
all
yeah.
of
It's
us.
like a cloth when we put heavy things.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, it's like a cloth. We put things like metal balls. It will just attract it to the middle.
Yes, towards the center. You say
That's
not
the
middle.
example.
Yeah, you said towards the center, not the middle. Okay, is it
Yes,
clear?
sir.
So,
Okay, sir.
okay, can
Towards
you?
its center.
Yeah,
That's
now,
what we call gravity.
yes, yes. Now, Pongti. Hello, Pongti. Pongti, are you there, Pongti? Then Saleha. Saleha. Hello,
Yes,
Saleha.
sir.
So, are you understanding what we are discussing?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Now, can you please read from here? Does gravity?
Does
Sir,
gravity
sorry,
always
I was
pull
having
things?
internet connection problems.
It's okay. It's okay. Saleha, read. Huh? Saleha, read.
Does gravity always pull things downwards? Not according to cartoonists. They often use plausible impossibles, things which seem reasonable but aren't possible because they break the laws of physics. Walking off a cliff is probably the most well known. The character doesn't fall until he realizes that he isn't standing on anything.
So, it is like a funny matter, right? In cartoon, we see that this person is running, and for a while he's staying over there, isn't it? If he sees down, then he's moving, falling down, isn't it? It's like comic. They they try to make you laugh, but in reality, is it true that if you don't
No,
see, you will
sir.
not fall? It's not true. So it's like funny thing. Okay, now actually you will fall down if you are not on the ground here on the upper place, then you'll fall down then and there. Is it clear? Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
now Saleha, you continue here. Gravitational force.
Gravitational force. Hang something from the end of the spring balance and you can measure the downward pull force from the earth. The pull is called a gravitational force. No one knows what causes gravitational force, but several things are known about it. All masses all masses attract each other. The greater the masses attract each other. The
Okay,
greater the masses, the stronger the pull. The closer the masses, the stronger the pull.
okay, okay.
The pull
Hold
be-
on, hold on, hold on, hold on. So here we got one idea that all the things in this universe attracting each other, attracting each other. Like you are sitting now on a chair and table is in front of you. This table and chair, they are also attracting each other. That table is also attracting each other by yourself. You are attracting the table and table is also attracting you. Okay, but that attraction you are not feeling. Why? Why you are not feeling that attraction? Because the mass is not that much bigger, isn't it? Hello.
Yes, sir.
So respond, please. If you are not understanding, we will repeat it. So our time is very less, right? It's less than one
Yes, sir.
minute.
Only 2 minutes. Only
Okay,
2 minutes,
so
sir.
it's not 2 minutes, only 1 minute. I see. Look here. So we will continue from here. Huh? Gravitational force in next class. Okay.
Okay,
Thank you all
sir.
for joining. Thank you all for joining.
Welcome,
Thank you.
sir.
Allah
Have a
Hafiz.
good day, sir.
Yeah.
Allah Hafiz, sir.